back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas as well. I don't know what day this is gonna be, so it'll be in the title. Anyway, as you can tell by the title of the video, I am doing my Sunday reset routine. Sundays are honestly the days for me to just get my life together and just reset and recharge. As you guys saw, I usually like to make sure that I do all my grocery shopping on Sunday, and then today I am gonna be cleaning my house as well too, and just doing kind of like some little things that I need to do before the week starts. So for instance, I do need to do some wedding stuff, which let me know down below if you guys want a wedding update. The wedding is definitely getting a lot closer, but I'm not sure like what exactly you guys are really interested in as far as content. Of course, after the wedding, I definitely have some video ideas, like kind of like lessons learned when planning a wedding. So I'm gonna wait to do a video like that. But if there's anything you guys want to see like in the process other than the bachelorette, because I will be vlogging on our bachelorette trip, we're going to Cancun. So if there's any other things that you want to see wedding-esque, let me know and I will make that video. I just went grocery shopping. I'm gonna go ahead and put up the groceries. I need to cook dinner for tonight. So Dante's favorite dish is Cajun chicken pasta, so I'm gonna make some homemade Cajun chicken pasta tonight, so I'll show you guys that. And then I'm gonna probably go ahead and make dinner for tomorrow. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do chicken tortilla soup for tomorrow. I think that is gonna be the vibe. So it's really nice to, like, when you do make stuff like that, it can be thrown in the crock pot. And honestly, I feel like the chicken tortilla soup tastes better the second day that you heat it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw all that in the crock pot and let it go ahead and cook, and then just kind of put it in the fridge. And I really may only cook it halfway and then cook it the rest of the way the next day. I don't know, I need to figure that out. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling and just show you guys everything that I'm doing for my Sunday reset team. So let's get right into it. All right, all groceries are taken out. So most of the food stuff is over here. And then I did get some cleaning supplies because I had to re-up on that. I am gonna be cleaning my house, like I said today, so I definitely needed some more supplies to just clean and laundry stuff. I got some of the laundry detergent right here. Hey, bubbies. Anyway, so here's my fridge. Obviously, it's not the cutest. I definitely will be doing a fridge organization video in the near future. But one of the things that I really like to do with my fridge is make sure all the leftovers from last week are thrown away, because there's no way we're gonna eat those. And I like to make sure everything is wiped down, so I get like a fresh, new, clean start. Typically, I don't know, typically some of these things are a little easy to wipe down. So I think I can get away with wiping this down for at least this week, and then probably next week I'll do a little deep clean. So I'm gonna do a deep clean video for Vlogmas just to show you guys some of the things I'm deep cleaning in my house, and this is gonna be one of the things because it is gonna be due for a deep cleaning soon. So anyway, let's get into throwing all the leftovers away. And honestly, it's not a Sunday reset without a little Jill Scott. Hey Alexa, play Jill Scott radio.
Station Jill Scott on Amazon Music.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna make some little oatmeal balls for Dante. He loves these, and for me too, because I do love these. These are really great snacks. So all you need is oatmeal, little mini chocolate chips, some peanut butter, honey, and then vanilla extract. And I use lemon and the vanilla flavor extract as well too. But it's super easy, and I don't really measure. I just kind of eyeball based off of consistency, but I'll show you guys. right, so a part of the reset is just planning out some of the week. Sometimes I can't plan out everything in the week. I'll do that kind of like the night before or the day of. But one thing I do like to do is really at least think about what I need to do for tomorrow. So obviously there's a lot of Vlogmas things that are going on. I am going to have like a little hour planning session tomorrow. Some of the upcoming content that I have, just kind of, I need to outline the videos and things like that. And honestly, for the most part, I let things like flow, but I definitely like to have an outline just to know like exactly what's happening. But anyway, I'm gonna plan out Vlogmas stuff for YouTube right now, wedding stuff that needs to get done, because I feel like I'm always doing something for the wedding about almost every day. And then any like personal things I need to write down. So let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. I'll see you guys in the next Vlogmas video. Bye!